Worried about scratches and damage to your car? If you've winced at grocery cart nicks, sun-faded steering wheel plastic, blurry rearview mirrors and downpours, or annoying fogged-up glass that ruins drives, this is video 27 in our Targeted Car Protection Essentials series, with 5 budget Amazon must-haves. From factory-appearing tint to sturdy door sill shields, links are pinned right to the top of the description, so stay tuned for quick, game-changing demos. Ever wanted tinted windows but couldn't swing the cost of professional tinting? This complete car window tint kit has you covered, with every tool you need to do it all yourself. No more breaking the bank for that sleek, private look for your ride. Ever get in your car and grab that old, hot steering wheel, so uncomfortable? This breathable microfiber non-slip cover fixes that. It stays cool and grippy, making every drive nicer. What a simple upgrade, and it's super affordable too. Oh man, I used to cringe every time sneakers dragged scuffs across my car's door sills. Those marks never budged easily. Product number 3 in video 27 fixes that with a self-adhesive carbon fiber protector that covers the sill completely to block shoes and daily use messes. Ever tried changing lanes in the rain and couldn't see a thing through your side mirrors? It's super stressful. This mirror rainproof film fixes that. Water slides right off so you stay visible and safe. Pick one up for your ride today. Ever get in your car and the foggy windshield just won't clear fast enough? This car defogger solves that. One quick spray, instant clarity, and it lasts for days. No more messing with defrosters while you're in a hurry. Hey, which of these 5 Amazon car gadgets did you love most? Window tint, steering wheel cover, door sill protectors, mirror rain film, or defogger? Smash that like button and subscribe since this is video 27 in our series. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.